We're still here in Siargao. Currently, nandito kami sa St. Thomas, the coffee shop just beside Himaya. Actually, magkakasama nga kasi sila, diba? Tiki Hut, Himaya, and St. Thomas. So, we've been wanting to try their coffee here since we checked in the other day. And we're just gonna have a cup of coffee here, Millie and I. And then later we'll go to Bravo to grab some breakfast. Kasi pupunta kami sa Sugba. Magdi-DIY land tour tayo today.
Reflections of the clouds above, the sound of rain along the pond. The grass that grows beneath my feet, I close my eyes, the hum of bees. I plucked a flower, violet green, lily of the valley on my knees. All the things I left behind, save this little place in my mind. I don't wanna lose you.
Papunta na talaga dapat kami sa Bravo. Pero pag start namin ng motor, surprise. Umulan. But anyway, we've been wanting to try their coffees here dito sa St. Thomas. So, no wonder kung bakit ito dinadayo. Sobrang sarap ng kape nila. So far, isa to sa pinakamasarap na flat white na natikman ko. No joke. Plus, the interior. Sobrang ganda ng design dito. Ang cozy ng vibe. Tropical yung setup. Very aesthetic. So if you haven't watched our previous video, this is actually part 2 of our Siargao adventure. We are currently staying at Himaya. So Himaya, Tiki Hut, and St. Thomas are at the back part of Tourism Road. So this is actually day 3 of our Siargao adventure. Yung day 1, we just basically explored General Luna. Yung day 2, we went to the north side of Siargao. We went to 4 different places there. Then we had dinner at Wild Siargao. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video. And tara!
I knew it! Oh no!
Sister, school starts here, mid-June. Kasi nga, dapat niya mag-finish na.
We're here in Bravo to eat some breakfast. So I'm having pesto grilled cheese sandwich with salads on the side while Mini is having
Tapa rice.
tapa rice with sunny side up eggs. So it's still drizzling pero we really want to go to Sugba Lagoon. So medyo papatila pa kami ng konti dito. Anyway, we're starving anyway. Here's our food. Walang chips tong akin She just transferred the chips sa plates ko kasi may space pa eh. Pero later we'll go to Sugba Lagoon. Magmamotor lang kami papunta doon. Kasi siguro kung sakaling umulan, hahanap kami na masisilungan. Kasi mas gusto namin mag-DIY kesa yung mag-rent ng tuk-tuk ba yun? Tuk-tuk yata yun, parang tricycle. Parang tricycle. If you haven't watched the video that we uploaded last time, we went to the north side of Siargao. We rented a car to get there kasi the travel from General Luna to the north is more than an hour. So, lo and behold, the following day, an hour din pala yung travel from General Luna to Del Carmen.
I thought 45 minutes.
1 hour. 45 to 1 hour. There. Not to mention that it's drizzling. So, sana hindi lumakas yung ulan. Kasi kaya naman kung drizzling lang, di ba? Then, 30-minute boat ride from Del Carmen Port to Sugba Lagoon. So, breakfast is served. Kain muna kami. Okay, so it stopped raining. We'll try our luck. Pupunta na kami sa Del Carmen Port. But we will use Dapa Road instead of Sayak. Kasi yung Sayak is more isolated. Madalas yun yung ginagamit kasi mas shorter road siya than Dapa. Pero we will use Dapa Road because yun nga, it's raining, pabugso-bugso yung ulan, and we just wanna make sure that we have plenty of options at least for taking shelter in case lumakas yung ulan. But right now it stopped, medyo mahangin lang pero makulimlim pa rin yung langit eh. Safety first.
What's so funny? Love, it's not locking.
Skater ka? Okay, we're ready. Let's go.
We want our lives to be like a dream, but we get stuck in reality. You feel the same, you know what I mean. Time to make a change. Aren't you fed up? Aren't you curious? What we could do if we put some trust into ourselves before time is up. Take a leap. Let's get lost in the night. Let's say yes to our lives and not be so damn predictable. Let's stare
Careful.
into the sun, face our fears one by one before we end up old and miserable. This could be our someday. This could be our someday. Time is a thief, so why wait? This could be our someday. We always stay in the comfort zone. Maybe that's why we feel alone. I wanna dive into the unknown. Nothing in my way. Let's get lost in the night. Let's say yes to our lives and not be so damn predictable. Let's stare into the sun, face our fears one by one before we end up old and miserable. This could be our someday. This could be our someday. Time is a thief, so why wait? This could be our someday. This could be our someday. This could be our someday. Time is a thief, so why wait? This could be our someday.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon! Welcome to Barangay Kaob, Sugbalagon, Siargao!
Thank you po.
This could be our someday. This could be our someday. Time is a thief, so why wait? This could be our someday. We always stay in the comfort zone. Maybe that's why we feel alone. I wanna dive into the unknown. Nothing in my way. Let's get lost in the night. Let's say yes to our lives and not be so different.
So finally, nasa Sugba, Lagoon na kami. 30-minute boat ride from Del Carmen. Naghintay lang kami ng mga kasabay kanina. DIY nga lang kasi yung ginawa namin para control lang namin yung oras. Pero pagdating namin sa Del Carmen, naghintay kami ng mga kasabay. And luckily, may nakasabay kami na foreigner. Actually, yung buong, ano ba to, lake? Yung buong lake na to sa Siargao. Sobrang linis, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Wala kang makikitang mga kalat. So, kung marami kang time at energy at masipag ka, you can kayak sa paligid nito. Paikot-ikot ka lang. Actually, pwede kang pumunta dun sa ibang part ng mangrove. Pero beautiful is actually understatement dito sa lugar na to kasi ang ganda talaga niya. I don't think our cameras can actually give justice. Plus, I think kasi wala kasi masyadong tao eh. So, na-enjoy namin ng tahimik lang yung lugar. Kasi karamihan na dun sa ibang tourist spot dahil low tide kasi. Oh, grabe, ang laki ng corals. So, we're back in General Luna. Nagpa-reserve muna kami sa SEV kasi kailangan ng reservation dito. Pero for now, pupunta muna kami ng Katangnan Bridge. We'll check that place out, eat some snacks. And then, we're actually starving already. So, mag-snacks na kami kasi dito kami kakain sa SEV for late lunch. Actually, early dinner. Let's go. Wala masyadong tao. Kasi it's weekday.
Baka naman hindi pa dito yun.
Sabi, you've arrived.
Ano mga tindahan? Mainit pa ba?
Painit.
Fried isaw. And kwek-kwek. And another cup of kwek-kwek.
We're having Pacifico and then Guyam. May rice na tong kasama.
Yung guyam lang po.
Then extra rice.
Separate naman yung rice.
Yes po.
Tapos isang order ng banana coconut smoothie. So this is banana coconut smoothie. It tastes so good.
No, we're good.
Sarap. Is it good?
Order na din din naman.
But ini Mars with the spring rolls and the fish balls. Ito na lang ma'am.
So we're back sa Himaya, and the day was a really great day. We enjoyed everything that we did today. Although it was actually raining, we decided to go to Del Carmen Port despite the weather. Kasi it was just drizzling and we really wanted to go to Sugba Lagoon, and we are grateful that we took our chances. Sugba Lagoon is really great. I think understatement yung maganda. Even a 30-minute boat ride, we enjoyed that. Kasi the view is really spectacular. The view is really beautiful. And then even yung early dinner namin sa Sev was also great. Both their ceviche and kinilaw tasted really, really good. But tomorrow, we planned everything. We booked our tour, Tri Island, for tomorrow, and then even the dinner we made sure to make a reservation because it's Millie's birthday. For now, we're just resting, and then we'll see you tomorrow. Hello po. Good morning. Good morning. We're back at St. Thomas for our morning coffee. We'll just grab quick breakfast here. Then we'll go to our meet-up point for our Tri-Island tour today.
Sneak away. There is no time to waste. Find a space and make it our own. Holding on to one another, intertwine the threads to hold. Through it all, we'll have each other, driving steady as we go. Carve your name into my everyday. Set the pace. You won't be alone. Every memory will uncover. Every story will unfold. Through it all, we'll have each other, driving steady as we go.
Lunch is served, my friend. Finally. We're done with the Tri-Island. Nakabalik na kami dito sa accommodation. Nag-shower lang kami. Then lalabas kami ulit kasi we need to go to a laundry shop para mapalaundry yung mga damit because we have few more days to stay here in Siargao. Then after that, may pupuntahan kaming coffee shop. We'll try another coffee shop before dinner. And yun lang. So, let's go. Let's go. Road lang. Good afternoon. Wala, damit lang. Let's have some coffee. Yeah, that's it. Cute. Oo.
Then isang matcha latte. May ice din na. Yeah. Ice. And then yung paano sa pala? One. Dalawa po. Isa lang. Yun lang.
We're at Spotted Pig, just right beside Las Palmas. We're having our coffee here, but they have cups. They have cups here. So let's try.
We have the logo. Pig.
This. Babe, this is the first one. Oh yeah, may brown na nga pa. No, isa blue and brown.
Pero mas cute kasi parang denim. Ito tayo chocolate.
We're done here. Let's go. At least I got myself a new cup. Thank you po. Sound check. Sound check. We're back from Spotted Pig. And I hope the audio is better now kasi I just realized na yung microphone pala tunog underwater. Kasi nga ginamit namin to kanina sa Tri Island and then pagbalik dito sa accommodation hinugasan namin ng fresh water. Then umalis na kami. But I didn't realize that the quality of the mic was not good. Pero parang unti-unti naman siyang naaayos, so that's fine. And I think, so I don't know, we'll see if this audio is better than how it was when we were in Spotted Pig. So we're just resting and we're just waiting for the time kasi we're having our dinner at Lamari at 8 p.m. So we need to get there before 8 p.m. Alright, we're ready for our dinner. This is for Millie's birthday. Let's go. Oh. Ay, you're going home na? You're going home na? Ay. Oh, go back to our room.
Parang it's crowded.
We're now here at Lamari. So we're just gonna order our food. Then we'll just enjoy the view kasi ang ganda ng ambience dito.
Ready to order na kami. We're having steak and truffle pasta.
Steak and truffle pasta.
Yeah. And then we want a glass of wine.
Anong one?
She's having Codicea Tanzanino.
One Odyssey.
Yeah. And then I'm having Hueles Reserva.
Wheelers. steak po. Medium well. And mashed potato. And this is truffle pasta. Enjoy.
Thank you!
And the color service. Thank you.
Dinner is served. We ordered steak and then their truffle pasta. We also ordered glasses of wine. Anyway, let's taste this. You want mashed potato? Do you want mashed potato? We're done with our dinner. What do you think? Hindi ka nagsasalita talaga. Steak was really good. Pero mas masarap yung steak niya sa bahay. The doneness that we ordered was achieved, yes. But the truffle pasta, hindi lang siya sobrang lasang truffle pasta. Kasi we tasted one na we'll keep it a secret. Para di siya maano. Pero, yun. Oo, ha? Gatekeep. Oo, gatekeep ko muna yun. We will end the night here. After this naman, uwi na kami sa accommodation. But we will end the night here. Tomorrow, we have to wake up early because we have to pick up the laundry because we plan on going back to Siago. We will stay there for a day, for the entire day because basically we are done with all the tour. For that, we want to make sure to pick up the laundry first. So, that's it. Good morning. First order of business. Coffee, please. We're now at Coco Frio, another famous coffee shop here in General Luna. They only offer iced coffees here. No pastries, no bread, no hot coffee. We ordered a Café Soa. If I'm not mistaken, it's a Vietnamese coffee. Kasi it sounded like Vietnamese. Café Soada. And I also love Vietnamese coffee. I remember nung nagbakasyon kami sa El Nido, there's also a small coffee shop there. Sobrang sarap din nung Vietnamese coffee nila doon. I can't move on. That's why since then I've been looking for a good Vietnamese coffee. But we'll try this one. Apparently this is very famous here. Thank you.
Yeah, totally. Yes, let's just go for it. Cheers.
So since we haven't had breakfast for today, we decided to try out S-Books Cafe or Siargao Books Cafe. It's near Siago. So, nag-breakfast na kasi kami sa Siago nung day 1 dito and we wanted to eat somewhere else instead. So later, lunch na lang or late lunch yung kakainin namin sa Siago while we're staying there. Plus, we're starving. So, we'll eat first.
The times of our lives were started over. With every narrow beach more closer than before. We take the road that goes in circles for forever. Until the lines can intertwine forevermore. And I would love you in every lifetime.
So we're wrapping up the vlog from here. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you on the next one.